If you're using a credit card solution today, then more than likely you're paying for the transactions twice. Once to your processor, which is a percentage of every sale, and once to the software that carries those payments into SAP. Most SAP Business One payment solutions bundle those two together, so you can't see what either one costs you, and you can't shop around for a better deal on either one. This is B1ClickPay. It's an add-on for SAP Business One that runs authorized.net payments directly inside your system. It authorizes the card when the sales order goes in, it captures the money when the invoice is created, handles refunds, voids, customer cards kept on file, and nobody ever leaves SAP. And here's the thing, it's software, not a processor. So it pulls those two bills apart, and that's where the money is. Here's what pulling them apart changes. You bring your own merchant account or keep the one you've had for years. Your rate stays between you and your bank. ClickPay isn't in the middle taking a cut. And if you find a better deal next year, take it. Your software doesn't get a say. And then there's the other bill, ours. And ours is flat. One fixed monthly fee, not a few cents off every sale. Now watch what that does. Revenue climbs, it's a good year, that's the year you want. And that line along the bottom, that's your software. It doesn't move. Sell twice as much next year, ClickPay costs you exactly what it costs you today. The gap between the two lines is yours, and it gets wider every month you grow. So that's the bill. Here's what you get for it. The best way to describe ClickPay is this. Your team just uses SAP, the way they always have. No one learns a new system, nobody logs into a new gateway portal, nobody copies numbers between screens. They enter orders, they ship, they invoice. Payments take care of themselves. Your team enters a sales order, and behind the scenes, ClickPay is already authorizing the card and logging the whole exchange in SAP. You ship, the invoice gets created, the capture goes out on its own, the money is on its way, and the payment status is sitting right there on the document. Your team never did anything except for the job. That's the whole experience. So that's the engine. Now here's where your team actually live all day. 4 hubs, all 4 inside of SAP Business One, no second system to log into, nothing to export. The payment hub is the day-to-day. Authorize, capture, refund, void, right from the document that's already open in front of you. Your AR team never leaves SAP. The settlement hub answers the question finance asks every single month. Did the money that hit the bank actually match what we billed? It checks every batch against SAP for you, so reconciliations stop being a spreadsheet and you get your month end back. The SIM Vault hub is where your customer cards on file live. You can see every card your customer has with you without a single card number sitting in your database. And the Audit Hub keeps every authorization, capture, refund, and void. So when someone in finance asks what happened to the payment back in March, it's one screen, not a full call to your processor. ClickPay is fully PCI compliant. Your customers enter the cards into an authorized.net form. It never gets typed into SAP. Authorized.net keeps the card, SAP keeps the token, and the details around the transaction. The approval ID, the status, the timestamp. No card numbers, no security codes, not anywhere in your database. That's what keeps your PCI scope small. So, how's the onboarding? Because this is usually the part that stalls a project. Moving customers you already have into the new solution. Here, it's 4 steps, and no one on your team ever touches a card. You send your contacts a secure link, they open the portal, enter their own card through the authorized.net, and it attaches itself to the right business partner in SAP. It's that simple. So to summarize, that first month after you go live, you'll open new books and you'll see 2 separate numbers. What your bank charges you to process and what your software costs you. One of them you can negotiate, the other one is a flat rate. It's going to stay the same thing the next month and the month after that. For the first time, you'll know exactly what payments cost you. ClickPay, your merchant account, your rates, your ERP. For more information, visit our website. And if you want to see it running your data, email us at sales@b1click.solutions.